Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive files on Audible and what happens to them. So, once you open your Audible app on your phone, you want to go to the library. And then, as you can see, I have two titles right here, and if you want to archive some files, you just want to press these three dots next to the title you want to archive. And then you can just click archive this title, as you can see here. So let's click on it. And now if you want to search for the archived audiobooks or files, whatever, you want to go to collections. And these are your collections. And now, as you can see, in archive, we have here an archive folder. And now I do have two archived titles in this folder, and if you want to unarchive them, you just want to press on the three dots right here and remove from archive. And now again you're going to be able to find them in your library, as you can see. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!